Hey everybody, this is Jessica from Jessica Lynn Original. It's part of Artistry-in-Cards, and today I thought, you know what, let's be inspired by a really fun YouTube channel called Art for Kids Hub. I'll put the link down below. They basically do a ton of Let's Draws, which I think are so much fun, and I might do a couple of them, but I wanted to do one from Inside Out, so I thought it would be fun to draw sadness. So I went ahead and did that, and basically if you are interested in following along, I will put the link down below so you can take a look at their channel. But that is what I'm doing. I'm literally watching their video, not pausing it, and following along. To get this started, I did get out all of my markers, my Pilot G2 pen, and then I'm using actually some watercolor paper, which is fine because it holds Copic markers really well. So enjoy my drawing of sadness. Well, thank you again for watching. I do appreciate it. I hope you had fun with this. Definitely go check out their channel and you try and draw too. I think that it's a ton of fun, and I'm going to be adding a lot more content like that here. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, visit my rubber stamp website, and then don't forget I do have a brand new Patreon if you are interested. Take care, everybody.